Imagine this. You're speaking English, and suddenly you forget the right verb. Don't panic. Just say get. Get is like a superhero verb. It can replace so many others. And here's the secret. Native speakers don't always say enter the plane or exit the train. They almost always say get in or get out. So today, I'll show you how to use get with a little extra word, like in, out, on, off, and others. And not only will people understand you, you'll sound more natural too. Get in. Picture this. You want to say I entered the car, but entered doesn't come. Just say I got in the car. Think about this. You want to say I arrived home late. The word arrived disappears. Say I got in late. Let's say your friend wants to say she was accepted to university, but accepted is gone. Just say she got into university. Imagine this situation. Rain is coming. You want to say bring the clothes inside. Forget bring. Use get the clothes in before it rains. Get out. Picture this. You're sitting in a taxi and you want to say I exited the taxi, but the word exit disappears. Just say I got out of the taxi. Think about this. A prisoner runs away from jail. You want to say he escaped, but you forget the word escape. Say he got out of jail. Let's say someone's secret is no longer private. You want to say the secret became public. The phrase became public doesn't come. Use the secret got out. Imagine this situation. You want to say I removed the book from my bag. The word remove won't come. You can say I got the book out of my bag. Get on. Picture this. You want to say I boarded the bus, but board disappears. Just say I got on the bus. Think about this. You want to say she continued with her work. You forget continued. Say she got on with her work. Let's say you want to say I have a good relationship with my boss. Can't remember how to say it? Use I get on with my boss. Get off. Picture this. You want to say I left the train. Forget left. Say I got off the train. Think about this. You want to say I finished work at 6. Use I got off at 6. Let's say you want to say he escaped punishment. Forget escaped. Say he got off without a fine. Get through. Picture this. You want to say I finished the exam. Forget finished. Say I got through the exam. Think about this. You want to say we survived the hard winter. Forget survived. Use we got through the winter. Get up. Imagine you want to say I stood up when the teacher entered. You forget the word stand. Easy. Just say I got up when the teacher came in. Get to. Picture this. You want to say we arrived at the office, but arrived is gone. Just say we got to the office. Think about this. You want to say I had the chance to meet her. Forget had the chance. Use I got to meet her. Get back. Picture this. You want to say I returned home late. Forget returned. Say I got back home late. Think about this. You lent your book to a friend. You want to say, I received my book again. Forget received? Use, I got my book back. Get over. Let's say you want to say she recovered from the flu. Forget recovered? Use, she got over the flu. Imagine this situation. You want to say he overcame his fear. Forget overcame? Say, he got over his fear. Get by. Picture this. You want to say, we managed with very little money this month. Just say, we got by with very little money this month. Think about this. You want to say, I survived the first week at my new job. Forget survived? Use, I just got by during my first week. Let's say, you want to say, I could just barely pass the exam. Forget pass? Say, I just got by on the exam. Get rid of. Let's say you want to say, I threw away old clothes. Forget threw away. Say, I got rid of my old clothes. Get into. Picture this. You want to say, she became interested in painting. Forget became interested. Use, she got into painting. Think about this. You want to say, he entered trouble. Forget entered. Say, he got into trouble. Get down. Picture this. You want to say, he crouched under the table during the game. Forget crouched. Just say, he got down under the table. Think about this. You want to say, sit on the floor to do yoga. Use, get down on the floor to do yoga. Let's say you want to say, it's time to start working seriously. Just say, let's get down to work. Get away. Picture this. You want to say, he escaped from the police. Just say, he got away from the police. Imagine this. You want to say, I need to take a short vacation from work. Forget vacation or take a break. Use, I need to get away for a few days. Think about this. You want to say, he avoided punishment for being late. Forget avoided. Just say, he got away with being late. See? Whenever your mind goes blank and you forget the verb, get is your safety net. With just one word, you can keep talking and still sound natural. Now it's your turn. Write 3 sentences in the comments using get instead of another verb.